Skylar and Henry have received a special delivery. The parts of their new item are in hundreds, tens, and ones blocks.
Grab the instructions, Henry. Let's build this thing.
While they build, let's learn all about expanded form 3 digits. When writing numbers in expanded form, we are writing to show the value of each place in a number. How do we write a 3-digit number in expanded form? We can use a place value chart and base 10 blocks to identify the value of each place in a 3-digit number. First, count the hundreds blocks to identify the hundreds place value. Here, we have 3 hundreds blocks, which represents 300. Next, count the tens blocks to identify the tens place value. Here, we have 4 tens blocks, which represents 40. Then, count the ones blocks to identify the ones place value. Here, we have 5 ones blocks, which represents 5. Finally, write the number in expanded form using the addition symbol between each place value. 345 in expanded form is 300 plus 40 plus 5. Let's explore the number of pieces in Skylar and Henry's package. 237 pieces are in the box. First, count the hundreds blocks to identify the value of the number in the hundreds place. What is the value of the hundreds place? There are 2 hundreds blocks in the hundreds place, so it is 200. What is the next step? Next, count the tens blocks to identify the value of the number in the tens place. What is the value of the tens place? There are 3 tens blocks in the tens place, so it is 30. What is the last step? Finally, count the ones blocks to identify the value of the number in the ones place. What is the value of the ones place? There are 7 ones blocks in the ones place, so it is 7. What is the expanded form of 237? When we write 237 in expanded form, we write it as 200 plus 30 plus 7. The box has 237 blocks in all. Before we check out what Skylar and Henry built, let's review. Remember, to write numbers in expanded form, first, count the hundreds blocks to identify the hundreds place value. Next, count the tens blocks to identify the tens place value. Then, count the ones blocks to identify the ones place value. Finally, write the number in expanded form using the addition symbol between place values.
Henry, this is fantastic craftsmanship if I say so myself.
It really is, Skylar.